Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2016 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does have the avant-garde exterior and interior look. 17-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black MB text interior with a dark linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Coming on back, C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate. We got a set of all-season floor mats. This one does come out with the Premium 1 package. It's going to be heated seats, memory seats. Up and in, we've got steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance, a push-start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 53,508 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.